The Arshnur Kaur Judgment, Equality in Uniform. In August 2025, the Supreme Court of India delivered a judgment that redefined equality in the Indian Army. For decades, women officers had shown courage and commitment equal to their male counterparts, yet faced invisible barriers when it came to opportunities and promotions. It all began when the Indian Army invited applications for its Judge Advocate General (JAG) branch, the legal arm of the Army. There were 9 posts in total, 6 for men and only 3 for women. The process was identical for both genders, same exam, same interview, same board. But when results were declared, several women who scored higher than selected men were rejected because the quota for women had been filled. 2 young law graduates, Arshnur Kaur and Astha Tyagi, refused to accept this injustice. They approached the Supreme Court with one powerful question: if the standards are identical, why are we treated differently? Their fight was not just for jobs, it was for justice, for the right to be judged by ability, not gender. On 11 August 2025, a bench of Justice Deepankar Datta and Justice Manmohan delivered a historic verdict. The court struck down the Army's gender-based quota in the JAG branch, declaring that once women are allowed under Section 12 of the Army Act, no further restrictions can be imposed. In simple words, if women can join, they must be allowed to compete equally. The court invoked Articles 14, 15, and 16 of the Constitution, equality before law, prohibition of discrimination, and equal opportunity in public employment. Justice Datta wrote that separate merit lists for men and women, despite identical standards, violate the essence of equality. Selection, he said, must be gender-neutral and purely merit-based. This verdict was more than a legal win, it was a moral one. It built upon the 2020 Permanent Commission judgment and strengthened the belief that courage and competence, not gender, define a soldier's worth. For generations, women in uniform have fought to prove they belong, and they have done so with grace, grit, and dignity. The Arshnur Kaur case stands as a tribute to every woman who dared to say, "I earned this place." The message is simple: equal rights, equal ranks, equal respect. Every woman in this nation deserves nothing less.